Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna be comparing Pulse 3D headphones with the beloved Astro's A50. We're gonna be comparing every single thing: sound, audio, features, design, microphone, and every single thing. So first, let's talk about the price of the Pulse 3D headphones. These cost about $100 or $8,000 in my country, and Astro's A50 cost about $300 in the USA and whooping 40,000 rupees in India. So that's literally a fortune that you have to pay to get Astro's A50. And Pulse 3Ds are designed for the PS5. These are literally headphones for the PS5, and design wise they look kind of matching with the PS5 theme, and Astro's looks really premium. Obviously the price of these are like so much, so there's that. So now let's talk about the complete design and the build quality of these headphones. So I'm gonna be starting with the Pulse 3D. Okay, so the Pulse 3D looks really basic, white and black design, and the build quality is actually good. Let's check them in the hand. So these are really good, for the PS5. Like I said, the theme matches with the PS5. Just pretty basic headphones. It matches with the PS5. That's the main point of these headphones. These are made for the PS5. And apart from that, really cool functionality on the buttons. We're gonna get into that later after we discuss the design. And mine are kind of scratchy because I've been using them for about like a year or so. And yeah, pretty good headphones, pretty lightweight, and these are really comfortable because of this headband that this headphone have. So let's talk about the Astro's A50. These are the headphones, the top tier best headphones that you can get for gaming. Actually, these have this charging dock. These charge with the Type-C cable. So the design wise, these headphones are really good. These are just, I don't know, when you pick them up, you will know that you are holding something really premium. There's no headband. I mean, there's a headrest that is really cushioned, but apart from that, headphones are really good. Like the build quality, these are never gonna be broken. I can tell you that. These are gonna last years and years. And apart from that, if I want to charge the headphones, I can just put them in a dock and they're gonna start charging just like that. And these does not charge with dock. There's no dock for these headphones, only USB Type-C cable. That's kind of a bummer. They should have something like that. And apart from that, there's a PC mode for these headphones as well, for the Astro's A50. So if I want to use them on the PC, I can use that. And the microphone, by the way, if I want to enable the microphone, just pull this down, and if I want to mute it, pull it back up, and the mic will be muted. And these have a dedicated button for the mic mute, and these have that mic thingy, up and down thingy. And the cushion of these headphones are removable. You can change and get a leatherite one, but those cost a lot. And these just have one cushion. And let's talk about the IO of these headphones, the buttons of these headphones of the Pulse 3D. So these have the chat and game audio, dial, you can balance the audio, if you want the chat audio or if you want the game audio, you can adjust that. And the one thing I love about these headphones is the mic monitor. If you turn this on, you can hear yourself, how you sound, and an overall mic quality, you can hear that. And the volume button, that is the pretty basic, that have volume adjustability. And the mic mute, for some reason it turns orange, but you can't see it while you're using the headphones. So I don't know what's the point of the orange thingy, but yeah, it is there. That's a good thing. Type-C connectivity that you can use to charge the headphones. And one good thing about these headphones is the aux cable. You can connect an aux cable with these. And this is the power button. And there's also an LED, that shows that if your headphones are connected or not. That turns white if your headphone is connected. So there's that. So that's all about these headphones. That is the, buttons and the features that these headphones have. And the Astros have a really cool power button. If it's charging, it's orange. If I turn on the headphones, it turns white. And there's that. And there's also a Dolby Audio dedicated button. If you turn it on, it's gonna enable the Dolby Audio. That is 3D audio for the Astros. And the EQ, so if I want to change the EQ, it shows in the dock if I'm on EQ1. And by the way, I can customize the EQ using the Astros command center for the PC. So if I change the EQ, I can press it once to change it to 2, press it twice for third EQ, and again for the 1. So there's that. And for the volume, by the way, I love the volume dial that this headphone have, literally a dial. I prefer a dial over a physical button that the Pulse 3D have. So win goes to the Astro's A50 for the volume dial. That is really amazing. And yeah, there's no audio monitor, so that's kind of missing in the Astro A50. And for the charging, there's the old USB, and obviously this have a dock, so we're not going to be using that, but still a type C would have been appreciated. So there's that. So there's the design of both of the headphones, the buttons, the physical buttons, and Pulse 3D is with the types not type C, sorry, the type C and the aux cable that is in the Pulse 3D. I really love that you can connect it to the phone, but you cannot connect these headphones to phone, but you can connect another headphones to the dock to hear the same audio as the headphones. I'm not quite sure who's going to be using that, but you can't use these headphones for your mobile devices, so that kind of sucks. And Pulse 3D you can use that, and there's optical output and input. So I don't know, I'm never going to be using the digital optical in these headphones. So that is all about these headphones, and now let's talk about the pros and cons about both of these headphones. I mean, Pulse 3D costs about like $100 and these cost freaking fortune, so obviously these gonna have some good things, but still both headphones have some pros and cons that we're gonna be discussing in the video. And I'm gonna be testing both of the headphones in the PS5, since Pulse 3D are made for the PS5 and Astros are also made for the PS5. So let's get into that. All right, so let's talk about pros and cons about these headphones. So first, I'm going to be starting with the Pulse 3D. So these headphones have some things that I really don't like. So first of all, I'm going to be starting with cons. So if I go here to sounds, right, there's no way I can adjust the audio balance, whether I want the game chat or the party chat. So the only way to adjust that is by going to the headphones, going up here, and then only it just changes. And on top of that, there's no way I can see what I am prioritizing. So there's no way I can see, like, literally no matter what, it's only gonna be grayed out, and I can't see I'm either on audio chat, the game chat, or the party chat. And on top of that, there's no way to adjust the volume in these headphones in Pulse 3D, like literally from the PS5, by the way. I'm not talking about the physical buttons, but from the PS5. So if I go to volume, it's completely grayed out, and I can't even see what volume I am in right now. And if I, let's say, if I'm on full volume, if I'm on maximum volume, if I press the up button, it just doesn't do anything, it just beep, that's it. But if I go press the volume down, it shows what volume I'm in right now, but it also lowers the volume. So there's no way to adjust the volume in these headphones apart from the physical buttons. You cannot change the volume from the PS5 directly, and some people prefer, like me, to adjust the volume and save what volume I am in right now from the system. So there's that. And there's one good thing about these headphones that no other headphones have, and that is the equalizer. The built-in equalizer works so great. So I can choose like a shooter, bass boost, or even I have 3 profiles that I can select from these EQ presets. So I can adjust whatever I want from the audio mode, like literally I can just adjust it, and I can choose the preset that I want. So that is really good, the built-in EQ with the Pulse 3D. And also there's one more thing that I really love. So if I mute the audio, the controller button, the light also lights up. So there's that. So if I mute the microphone, it's also going to show on the controller, so both are completely synced. But if I mute from here, it just doesn't work while using the headphones. I cannot mute it from the controller when this is connected. So basically you will lose all of the access to the volume control, the mic control, or anything from the PS5. The only way you can control is from the microphone. So if you break the buttons, you will no longer have access to control the volume, the audio, the microphone, or anything like that. So that's kind of a bummer, but EQ is the only good thing. And 3D audio, by the way, these headphones have works with every single headphone that you can connect in the PS5. Literally, you can just go and adjust 3D audio, and that will work flawlessly with every headphone. So yeah, these are the few things that I like about these headphones and that I don't like about the Pulse 3D against the Astros. So let's try the Astros now, and I will show you what I like about those headphones and what I don't like. Spoiler alert, there's nothing that I don't like about those headphones. All right, so I can already feel these headphones feel so great. So there you go. And literally, the things I talked about, that even the name, okay, Pulse 3D have just a name called USB headset, not even wireless headset. So Astro's A50, by the way. Okay, these are really loud. So you see, I can adjust the volume in the Astro's A50. I cannot do that in the Pulse 3D from the PS5. Literally, there's no volume option, and I can even change the audio balance. I can see what I'm prioritizing, what audio what is that, what audio balance I'm in right now. I can see clearly on the PS5, and there's no way to see that in the Pulse 3D headphones. That is really amazing about these headphones. Like, even though any headphone that you're going to plug in, even though if you plug in a headphone directly into the controller, you will be able to see what volume you're in and what you're prioritizing literally on the screen. So there's this good thing, but this doesn't have EQ directly inbuilt in the PS5. You can use EQ on the PC, by the way, but not on PS5. So that's kind of a bummer that PS5 doesn't have its own EQ for all the headphones, just with the Pulse 3D. So yeah, these are the things that I like about these headphones. These have volumes that I can adjust from the PS5 directly. I can see what volume I am in, and audio balance as well. And these also have the 3D audio. I'm just gonna go to sounds. These just work, like literally if I enable the Dolby audio, is it okay? It is Dolby. These just sounds amazing. Like, trust me, the sound of these headphones is just phenomenal. Like, you know, I've never heard any gaming headphones sound this good. Like, even for the music, these headphones are really good. Pulse 3D are not made for music. These are the one overall, like, you know, the best headphones for the PS5, by the way. And there's one thing, like, you know, price. These are really expensive, so these should work better than any of the other headphones that are cheaper, right? So there's that. These are things that I like about these headphones. All right, so there's the microphone test of the Astro A50. So the thing you're listening right now is coming directly from the microphone of the Astro's A50, and I'm not quite sure what to talk about these headphones while I'm testing the microphone. So whatever you're hearing right now is the mic of Astro's A50. So now let's check the microphone of the Pulse 3D, and you guys be the judge. Leave a comment down below which one sounds better, Pulse 3D or Astro's A50. Alright, so this is the microphone test of the Pulse 3D headphones, and I'm testing them right now, and I'm not quite sure how they sound. You guys be the judge again, which one sounds better, the Astro's A50 or the Pulse 3D. And Astros have this really, like, you know, microphone that I can adjust. These I cannot even see or tell where the microphone is, and I'm not quite sure how this is gonna sound. This is just a test against the Astro's A50. So you guys be the judge and tell me which one sounds better in the comment section. Alright, so in conclusion, which headphone is the best? So I would say both are the winners because these cost a lot, but for the price, these are amazing. For $20, absolutely worth it because of the build quality, sound, and all of the features. But these $100 for PS5 headphones with 3D audio and comfortable, I mean, these are more comfortable. But if you're gonna ask me which one is the winner, obviously these are expensive ones. These have more stuff, so these are the winners. But I would say both are the winners because the price difference on both these headphones. So pick any of these. If you have the money, go for Astros. But if you have, like, you know, if you just want to use the headphones for the PS5, I would say these are not a really bad deal. These are good. You can find a little bit cheaper now. So there's that. So yeah, there's the video. Astro's A50 versus Pulse 3D headphones for the PS5. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.